bien. Raise. Gram lights, 57 CR and 15x8 plus 28 offset. And of course 4x100. This is in gunmetal blue. I picked it up in person, so I was so eager. I didn't want to wait, so I just went to their Santa Fe Springs location. And right in California. Price matched and everything, so that's cool. Policy, manual, and some stuff I can't read. But yes, here they are. Let's take this out. 2 per box. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. Alright, those look good. I love. Now these are the 57 CR, and I noticed that they kind of, from what I can see, at least from online pictures, it looks like their spoke sizes are different. Comparing 4x100 to anything else, like 5x whatever, or just bigger sizes in general. The spokes seem to be different. They don't seem to have as big of a bowl shape in the middle, but this is what I like. I like that little kind of starfish look in the middle, if you want to call it that. But yeah, they look fucking sick. So I also want to get the gram light sticker, the 57 right here. I'm not sure if it'll fit because of the smaller diameter. I think the sticker's kind of long, so hopefully it'll fit. It's gonna be $40 for stickers, so I don't want to. But if anything, I think I'll get the gram light's actual logo. That'll be sick. I want to see that. And they come with the, hopefully this is them, yes, the valve stems. Yeah, that's cool. I'm stoked to go back to the 8-inch blade because I already ordered 195/50 15s, and the stretch is perfect. It's like just a barely stretch actually. Because my old Rotas were, my Rota OS Mesh were 15x8. And it had 195/50s on there, and it had just like a perfect, just like simple, like very tiny little stretch, just barely a stretch, and I think that will look good. These are plus 28 offset, so again with the Rotas, I ran 15mm spacers and 12 back and front. So I'm thinking I'll have to get another set of 15s at least. I kind of want to try 1-inch spacers. I don't know if that'll be too much. I love the Japan Power Raise, big ass 15-inch. Got the specs. I want to put these boxes on display. Oh shit, it's got this too. I completely forgot. Authentication. I swear, I just want these dangling from the roof or some shit. But yeah, they're fucking cool. These will be put for sale. And here we go, here they are placed on. I should also mention that last footage of me unboxing was from, I think, early June, and it's now like a quarter of the way through July. So I have made some changes. The fronts have extended lower ball joints. I put those on to kind of help push them in a bit. And I have 1-inch spacers on the front, and I have 15s on the back. And that's how it looks there. If I go any lower, it's just gonna rub, which is why I spaced the fender out. But yeah, here they are. Looking pretty good. I also went ahead and put on some new lug nuts. These are Mutegi, I think, SR48, kind of green. Just kind of match the emerald green that appears on the Montego blue. Like when you have it on direct sunlight, the green really pops. But that's them right there. So yeah, that's the fitment in the front. 1-inch spacers and some negative camber, just some. That's how she looks. With the 195/50 Dunlops on there. That's have a look at it in the rounds. Here's the back end. Backs with 15mm spacers, and I have the Evasive Motorsports rear adjustable upper control arms. So I do have, well, compared to the equips that I had on, I brought the camber back out more towards positive. So they're sitting decently straight. I mean, they're still tucked in a bit, and I guess if I wanted to close that gap, I can bring the camber out more, but that's been fine for a while. I've actually put a decent amount of miles on these, and they don't rub, because, yeah, like I said, the last footage was from about a month ago. So this is like a month in of having these wheels. They look incredible. I did go to the mountains already, made a few trips, so I'll put up some pictures. What's really cool about these is they are gunmetal blue, so in kind of regular neutral kind of light, they were just like the gray, but in direct sunlight, the blue of the gunmetal blue really pops. It really comes out in direct sunlight. Yeah, they really do fit pretty good. Also, a little side note, I wanted to get that 57 decal that goes on one of the spokes. And I found out, well, first of all, I got told that it's not meant for the 15 inches because the sticker is, you know, pretty long. But I did find some pictures on Instagram that I'll put up. And now these are also 15-inch 57 CRs. And you can see he's rocking the sticker decently. You can see how the sticker kind of comes in really close to the lug nut. I guess that's the only downside. But maybe I'll go for that a bit later. I can't find a legit place to find them, so I'm not too worried about it, but they look cool. Also want to try to get center caps, but those are on back order just as of right now. Sometime in, I think, mid-July, so I just have a little bit longer to wait. But yeah, that's about it. Look good. I don't know what it is, but something about these versus the Equip 3s, I don't know why, but they just seem to work so much better. I mean, I don't know what it is. Even my friends say the same thing. It's just weird. They do kind of just look better. I don't know, maybe it's just kind of a more modest look. That's why I went with these anyways. Kind of go back to the more, you know, it's kind of simple look. Nothing flashy. The equips were fucking dope. They were fucking badass, but I never quite got them to fit. I think that's the big part. So there it is. You saw the first unboxing and then my 1 month impressions. They are fucking perfect. Just go for them, buy them. Don't even second guess it, just go for them. Cool. Okay, cool. Bye. Later. Bye. See ya. Bye.